Let's make a light, flavorful Waldorf salad the savory way. Bring the water to a boil. Crumble the bouillon cubes into the water and reduce the heat. Place the chicken into the bouillon broth and simmer 20 minutes until done. Remove the chicken from the broth with a slotted spoon and let cool slightly. Keep the broth at a boil. Next, peel the celery root. Use a peeler to scrape into long, thin ribbons. You can substitute half a bunch of chopped celery, but don't boil it in the chicken broth. Boil the ribbons for 3 minutes in the chicken broth. Drain and rinse under cold running water. Cut the apple with skin into quarters. Remove the core and cut the flesh into pieces. To make the dressing, whisk together the mustard, yogurt, olive oil, and vinegar. Season with salt and pepper. Mix the celery root and apple with the dressing. Stir and let sit for 10 minutes to absorb the flavors. Meanwhile, finely chop the parsley and chop the walnuts coarsely. Use 2 forks to shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces and add to the salad along with the parsley. Sprinkle with the walnuts. And that's how you make a savory Waldorf salad with chicken and celery root. Savory, fast, fresh, and easy.